Sugar stops hiccups fast. Swallowing a spoonful of sugar can stop your hiccups faster than any fancy trick you've heard. Scientists have discovered that this simple kitchen fix works by tricking your nerves into hitting the reset button. When you swallow granulated sugar, its gritty texture jolts the vagus nerve, the same nerve that's responsible for those annoying spasms. The sudden sensation gives your body something else to focus on, interrupting the endless hiccup loop. It's not just an old wives' tale. Studies show this method works for about 95% of people. Forget holding your breath or drinking water upside down, your solution is sitting in the pantry. Next time hiccups strike, grab a spoonful of sugar and let science do the rest. Your nerves reset, the hiccups vanish, and you're back to normal in seconds.